Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. We are here for another Balikbayan unboxing. As you know, my parents went home from the US for a one month visit here in the Philippines, and I ordered some Heroclix online. They were able to bring it back home. So, and one of them is the Jean Grey Phoenix that you see here. But aside from that, there are others that I've also purchased. And with this video will just be a quick sense of what the figures are. So let's take a look. So first, we have here the Deadpool Merc Jet. So we can see the card here, Deadpool's Merc Jet. So we're gonna take a close look at that in another video. And then we have some bystander cards, okay, from DC Titans, I don't know. So, and this is, I think, from the Fear Itself set. So we have Stark Solutions Employee, Asgardian Warrior, Dark Elf, and Dwarves. And then we also ordered some Marvel cards. Okay, so just to complete some of our sets. Okay. So again, wait for the individual unboxing videos of these items. And then we also have bystander tokens from the Days of Future Past set. So we have Sentinel Sentry, Human Protester, Mutant Protester, and Sentinel Hunter, I think. Okay, let's move on to the other figures, other items. We have the Fast Forces House of X. Okay, this is actually a duplicate. I did not realize I ordered two. So this will be up for sale. And then we have the Rise and Fall Fast Forces. Okay, so most of this did not arrive in our local LGS, so that's why I'm getting it online. Okay, so let's take a look at the figures. We have here a bunch of Brood, a couple of Emma Frost. Okay, I got a couple because the head usually gets broken, so just in case we have a backup Emma Frost. So most of these are X-Men related figures because we're a huge collector of X-Men Heroclix. We have the Stranger, Shear Guard, Havoc. Is this the LE? No, the common Havoc from the... What set is this? Wolverine and the X-Men. And then we have Deadpool, Wolfsbane LE, Justin Seifert with the Sentinel keyword, a couple of these fit cards, Mutant Massacre and Evolutionary War. We have Namor. We have the Wolverine from the Empire set miniatures game, Magneto and Rogue. Okay. And then we have Aurora, LE, Malice, Super Rare. Some of these I already have, meaning I already have the figure, but I seem to be missing the card. So I had to purchase them again. So good thing because they have rotated out that they are cheaper now. So we have Beast, we have Toad, we have the Fast Forces from the Deadpool and the X-Force, Domino, Phantom X, Wolverine, Psylocke, Deadpool, and Cable. We have Polaris, LE, Destiny, Magneto, Moira, Avalanche, and Professor X from the Days of Future Past set. We have a Toe from Fing Fang Foom. Then we have another Deadpool. Then Deadpool reading a comics. This is, I think, the X-Force comics. And then we have this Prime Deadpool. Okay, so we also have from the newer sets. This is from the Empire Wolverine Super Rare. And then a couple of War of the Realms figures. We have Black Knight. And we have the Crusader. Okay. And then this is one of our high ticket items. Jason Wingard. Chase from X-Men the Animated Series set. Okay, he's the only missing piece from that set. And then we have some oldies. Oldies would mean uncarded figures. Silver Sable, a couple of Logans, Hellfire Guard, and then Wade Cole. We have Callisto, Raven, Darkholm. Okay, I really like figures like this that has the real name and not just their mutant name. Bishop of XSE. This is Dominic Pietros Avalanche, Archon, and White Queen. And then we have here Rogue. We have Moonstar. And we have the Goblin Queen. Okay. And then we have here Speech Bubbles from Deadpool. Okay. So we have a bunch of them. We'll unbox them in another video, as I said. We have Flash. This is for one of my good friend, Heinz. He's a Flash collector, so this is going to him. And then we also have some cards. So the cards here, we have Zatanna call-in ID card. And then we have some X-Men ID cards from the X-Men and Savior School set. So these were expensive back in the day, but since they've rotated, we're able now to collect all of them. So we have Wolverine, Cyclops, Magneto, Emma Frost. Okay. And then we have a bunch of legacy cards. Okay, so the ones that I don't have yet, we have Storm. We have, Destiny, Cyclops, and Deadpool. And then last but not the least, and I'm really excited about this, we have a bunch of team-up cards. Okay. So we have a good bunch of team-up cards. So I'm not gonna go through all of them now, but you can see it's quite a lot. Okay, so these are the team-up cards that are cheap. Okay, some team-up cards can go as high as $30 or more, but these ones are just $5 and below. So we're able to get a bunch of them. Okay, just to complete or try to complete some of the team-up cards. Okay, let me see if I can pull them out quickly. We have Karima. And then we have, let's see. I think we have Sinister, Storm, Sunspot. Okay, so multiple team-up cards. So that's it. Anyway, I'm excited to make separate individual videos for them, especially this dark phoenix, or not dark phoenix, but phoenix chingri. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this quick sense video, and see you on the next deep dive video of these figures. Bye bye.